Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Creating a Java-based test web page can be achieved using several frameworks, with one of the most popular being Spring Boot. This tutorial will walk you through setting up a simple web application using Spring Boot that can serve as a base for testing purposes. We'll also include a simple test case to demonstrate how to test the application. ### setting up your Java environment. Before we begin, make sure you have the following installed. 1 Java Development Kit, JDK, install JDK 8 or higher. 2 Maven, a build automation tool used primarily for Java projects. 3 IDE, you can use any IDE, but intellij IDEA or Eclipse are popular choices for Java development. ### Step 1, create a Spring Boot application. 1. Create a new directory for your project. 2. Initialize a Maven project. You can use the Spring Initializer, https://start.spring.io, to generate a basic Spring Boot application. Choose the following options. Project, Maven project. Language, Java. Spring Boot, choose the latest stable version. Dependencies, Spring Web, Spring Boot DevTools, Spring Test. 3. Download the project and unzip it into your working directory. ### Step 2, project structure. The basic structure will look something like this. ### Step 3, create a simple controller. Create a new Java class named testController.java in the controller package. ### Step 4, main application class. Your demo application.java should look like this. ### Step 5, application properties. You can leave the application.properties file empty for now. This file is used for configuration. ### Step 6, testing the application. 1. Run the application, navigate to the root directory of your project and run. 2. Access the endpoint, open your web browser or a tool like Postman, and navigate to http://localhost 8080/test. You should see the message, "Hello, this is a test endpoint." ### Step 7, write a test case. Let's create a simple test case for the test controller. Create a new Java class named testControllerTest.java in the src/test/java/com/example/demo/controller directory. ### Step 8, run the tests. You can run the tests using Maven. ### Conclusion. You've successfully created a simple Java-based web application using Spring Boot, set up a RESTful endpoint, and written a test case for it. This is a basic example, but you can expand upon it by adding more complex logic, additional endpoints, and more thorough test cases as needed. Feel free to explore more about Spring Boot and REST APIs to further enhance your application.